Hello everyone, so I am back with another friend mail, and I have to say that I have been really blessed these past few weeks. I've gotten quite a bit of friend mail, as you can see. I think last week I uploaded 2 videos, one from Ebony and one from Robin, and then this week one from Jacqueline, and now this one, who is Yoli Fernan here on YouTube, and she does make videos, so I will link her channel in the description box so you can check her out. And she doesn't make a lot of videos, you guys, but oh my gosh, when she does make stuff, her stuff is beautiful. And I have to tell you, Yoli, you need to give yourself a little bit more credit because your stuff is stunning. So we agreed to swap these embellishment boxes that you can get from the Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree has 2 different ones. They have 3 different ones. They have this one, which is, you can find it like in the hardware section where they have like tools, you know, they have the paintbrushes and stuff. And you can see that this is really shallow. It is not deep like the other one. Afterwards, of course, just recently, I did find the other ones that everyone's been using because, you know, you can fit a lot more in it. And it's these right here. You can also order these online. So these are only $1, so you can see the difference between the two. There's a huge difference, and look at that. Of course, you can fit a lot more in here. But we had agreed. She wanted to swap this one, so we're going to do this one. And I'm super excited because I know her work, and her work is awesome. I mean, look at this beautiful card, you guys. Isn't this just so beautiful? Oh my gosh, this is like, oh my gosh. Okay, I need to take it out of the bag. Oh wow, check this out. Oh my gosh, she even added a tiny little bow. Oh my goodness. And she doesn't Copic color. She says that, oh, or does she do Copic? No, I think she, like, her coloring, she says it's with colored pencils, I think. Because I asked her if she Copic colors, because that's what she did. And oh my gosh, look at this stick pin, you guys. This is so beautiful. I mean, this is unbelievably beautiful. This, oh, look at this flower, this cluster of flowers. There's some tulle right here. This stick pin, and look at that gorgeous bow. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love her. She's so pretty. Okay, now what kind of card is this? Let's see. Oh, look. Okay, I get it. It's like this. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Oh, she's so pretty. And then this opens up. And then, okay, and then this is her note. So we have become friends through YouTube. She contacted me, and we've been like besties ever since. So let me go ahead and open this up. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. I knew she was gonna do something like big. I know her. I absolutely love this because I love this color combination, pink with gold. It is like one of my favorites, and this is exactly what she did, and it's shabby chic. I knew she was going to make something stunning, and I got her package a while ago, and I've been trying to hold off because I normally don't like to open my swaps until I've mailed mine out, because I don't like to how do you say it, like try to I don't even know how to say it anyways, because if I see something that I like, I'm gonna want to try to to make it, and I don't want to send her the same stuff, you know what I mean? I don't know if I'm explaining myself right, but oh my gosh, look at this. Okay, so that says beautiful. Look at that tiny, oops, look at that tiny butterfly. There's a cluster of, well, not a cluster, here's some flowers, and then some swirls, and some tiny butterflies right here at the corner, you guys. And look at this flower. I think she probably made that flower. That is so beautiful. And then on the top left, there is another big, like, lacy flower with the beautiful like some gems in the center and more swirly stuff, and just beautiful. And another butterfly. And so let me go ahead and open this up. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty, you guys. Everything looks so beautiful. Like, I don't even want to take it out. Okay, let's start right here. So these are like these really cute charms, and they are like super shabby, you guys. Look at that. And a cameo, and then another one that is so pretty. So that's what's in that one. And then in the next one, oh my gosh, are these like those altered domino pieces? I think they are. And look how tiny these are. Okay, so I've never altered anything like this before, you guys, but there's that one. Oh my gosh, look at that one with the tiny, I mean, these are tiny, you guys. I don't even know if you understand how tiny these are. And then look at this one. This one has my name on it. Oh my gosh. And the tiniest little butterfly right there. Oh my gosh. This lady, I'm telling you, this lady is like, she thinks of everything. And then these super cute gold flowers, and there are 4 of them in here. Okay, so I was having trouble making my box, which I'm not even done with it because I couldn't figure out what to put in here. And then Esther, she came up with some really cool ideas, so that's what I started to do. All I need to do is now decorate my front. But, well, maybe it's a good thing that I opened it before because, oh, actually, no, none of this is the same. Okay. Oh, and bows, because you guys know I love my bows. And look at these bows. Look how pretty they are. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. And then in this one, oh, these are like those acrylic or plastic beads, and these are so pretty. Look at that. I love how they sparkle. And then some, oh my gosh, what? I can't believe she did this. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I wanted to do a sequence mix, but I don't know. I found some of these jars at Hobby Lobby, but I think they are too big for this. So I'm gonna have to not include that. But look how pretty this is. Oh my gosh, she like thought of everything. That is adorable. Oh my gosh, and look at this. I'm guessing she made these. Oh wow, these are beautiful. These are like fabric or lace flowers. Wow, I love this. This is so pretty. And then there's like the applique, and then I wonder if this is made out of ribbon. Oh my gosh, everything is beautiful. And then this one has, oh, she gifted me some of these gems. Oh, I like these gems. And look how sparkly they are. And these are in pink. And then some resin flowers. Oh, and these are, okay, and they already have adhesive in the back, so that's pretty neat. Oh, and look at this. Oh, wow, this is big. I love this. And then some, oh, how cute. Some clothespins. Oh, is this the same one from the card? Oh, yes. Oh, so they already come with the bow on top. Oh my gosh. These are really neat. I love these. Look at that. Wow. I absolutely love this. Thank you so much for this. And then, you know, I've seen this, but I've never, I think these are from Michael's, right? I've never used these before. So, oh my gosh, thank you so much for all of this, Yoli. I truly appreciate this swap. I knew you were going to make something fabulous. I just knew it. So thank you so much, everyone, for watching. I'm going to have her channel in the description box so you can all check her out. Yoli, thank you so much for this awesome swap. I truly appreciate everything you've sent me, from the card to the embellishment box. Oh my gosh, everything is, oh my gosh, just unbelievably beautiful. I love this. Everyone else, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you've gotten inspiration, because I definitely have. I love seeing how everyone else decorates their embellishment boxes. I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos whenever I can on these boxes, but I haven't seen this small one gotten done before. So this is the first time I see this one being embellished like this. So thank you so much. Don't forget to visit her channel. You won't be disappointed, trust me. She doesn't post a lot of videos, but her projects are amazing, you guys. Yeah, so thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to both of our channels if you haven't, and don't forget to write me a nice comment and to like this video. Have an awesome day, everyone. Bye.